create. Frijoles con chorizo mexicano. I'm using some beef chorizo, and this is going to be beans with Mexican chorizo. Let's start with the chorizo. So I'm going to do, get out the container. The good thing about chorizo mexicano is that you really don't need to add salt to the dish because they already have their own. So this is beef, not pork. The brand doesn't matter. But you can use pork too, and one with beef. So I have some white beans. Now these one were dry beans, which I softened it and cooked them or whatever. About 2 weeks ago, I froze them. And now I let them, defrost, and here they are. I'm going to use them again. I love dry beans, but you can use canned beans too, as long as you take the liquids out and dry them. Like take that stuff out, wash them, and you'll be fine. Pan, preheating. Make sure it's a little bit, deepness there. So I'm going to add the chorizo. Right now I have a couple notches above medium. And I'm going to start breaking it down, cooking it. That's simple. Let it cook for a little bit, okay? See how beautiful it looks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some onions. And by the way, this pan is a little bit large because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So let me add some onions. Not a lot. Some garlic, about 4 teaspoons of garlic, maybe 5 chopped. Onions were chopped too. Let me lower the heat to medium for now. Some tomatoes, half a tomato actually, just half. Mix it up. Green hot pepper. I went with serrano, by the way. Chop. And I'm mixing everything nicely. No oil, I didn't have to add that. No salt, I didn't have to add salt. I have some cilantro. In fact, I have some culantro too, but cilantro, optional. Mix it up. See how nice. And I have my beans. I have about 1.5 liters, which is about 2 cups, maybe 2 cups and a quarter. And I have some beef stock. It's about maybe a cup or so, maybe. Yeah, let me mix them here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it. And I'm going to mix everything nicely. And I'm just going to let them cook for a little bit, not a lot, because these beans are already softened and they've been cooked before. I put the heat couple notches above medium, maybe medium high. And let this baby cook. Look at this beauty already, huh? It's going to be spicy and nice. Frijoles con chorizo Mexicano. Look at this baby. About 4 or 5 minutes later, look at this beauty. I'm done. Ready to serve.